This is my garden update for the week. These are Armenian cucumbers. My figs have set well in their new little pots, and they're giving me little buds. You can see right there. So I guess they're doing really well. This one's got a little bud too, right there. The spinach, doing okay. I'm gonna poke some more seeds down in here and note that in my journal. Salad pots are doing well. The lettuce pot doing real good. I'm going to start pinching leaves on this thing and start eating it. This is a salad pot number 2. That's doing great. Everything's kind of smothering each other out, so I need to start thinning that out. The garlic, it's doing okay. This was chard I picked up earlier, and there's roots in it, so it's time to separate and transplant those. Let's wander over this direction. My basil straight up. It's gonna get the bonsai treatment. I'm gonna top it and trim the leaves off and dry those. And you can see that there's 2 small growths here, which would be a good place. I think right there would be a good place to trim it. Now I'll probably strip the bottom of this and put that in water, because basil cuttings will root in water, and I'll add just a couple of drops of fertilizer to it. The seed cups are doing fantastic. See the new basil coming up in here. I finally got a banana pepper in here. I was worried about that cup, but it finally made a showing. The yellow pear tomatoes are doing excellent. I transplanted celery down in here. Somebody told me to keep the bottom of it covered. So this one is going to be covered. And I've gotten several pieces of advice on celery, and I will do that with the other 5 starts in here. One I'll cover with a bag, another one I'm going to plant to soil level, and we'll see which one work out the best. Starter kit, check the other video for its progress. Roma tomato was put into a 15-inch pot yesterday, and it's got a little cluster of tomatoes on it and a sucker I need to trim off. The advantage I have of container gardening is the ability to bonsai, which I'll do. I'll do it for structure, and I'll do it for production and visual also. Now I've got a really neat plan for the garden, but I'm not going to reveal that yet. Just take note that there's cucumbers there. There's tomatoes here. There will be yellow pear tomatoes or beefsteak in here. I haven't figured out which one I'm going to fill that in. I'm needing to get more dirt. Yesterday I planted 3 zucchini seeds in here. It's very moist, and they should soak and root well. In this box, the 9-pack has yellow crookneck squash, and then I put borage in each. Now in that I only put 1 seed in each, but with the borage I did 2 seeds. In this box I have cilantro, dill, and parsley. Now let's check up here. I've got 2 sweet potato slips, and they're doing well. They've got leaves on both of them. They're in little pots. I'm just putting a little bit of water in the bottom of this, and they're doing very, very, very good. And then my onions split. I love these. If you grow a whole onion, this is what happens. It'll start splitting. So I actually have scallion-like onions. I haven't trimmed the top of it yet, so I'm going to allow it to grow and see what happens with it. But I usually cut the tops and turn them into onion salt. And there's a full view of the patio. I'm not going to show you my little corner over there. It's for my watering stuff. Say hi, dog. Tulip. That's her little blankie on the porch. She's also got the chair. That's our progress for the week. Let me show off the little pet grass I got for her. I'm going to transplant it into a pot she can get to. So, until next time, happy gardening.